Well, as it's sunset time here in Iya Santorini, so there are so many tourists there at the top queuing to get a nice view of the sunset. But I'm so fortunate that I got so lucky that I got this Villa Suites that is really private, and I don't need to queue or line up with the other tourists just to get the sunset. So thank you very much, Mr. Bignol, for bringing me here and get exactly the place that I wanted to be. Beautiful. And that is the volcano, the Caldera volcano. Not as good as Mayon, but it's fighting for the spot, believe you me. Tourists are enjoying that volcano. But once they see the Mayon volcano in the Philippines, it's different. And you judge, my dear people. These three domes is just a stone's throw away from my balcony, and this is just one of the balcony that we rented because this villa is composed of 3 large rooms. At the moment, I'm in the highest point of this villa. Beautiful. This is the view, the beautiful iconic dome of Santorini. Okay, beautiful, and that's it. Sun is a bit shy now, it's hiding now, but eventually it will come out again. So for now, let's enjoy the gray Mercury sky, but still we are still here in between paradise. Okay, thank you very much, my everyone.